Good morning, guys. Welcome to At Home with Binta. It's been a while. Yeah, I've been so busy with kids and work, so I got a couple of days off, enjoying the little bit of summer we got. But today doesn't look like summer today. It's raining for some reason. Anyway, it's 9 o'clock, I think, and the girls went for a sleepover at their cousins. I thought I'd make something very quick. But when I realized I was trying to make doing some cooking today, I realized I have nothing in my fridge. So I'm just gonna do something very easy and quick, and then I'm gonna go do some shopping before I picked up the girls, because yeah, it was a last minute thing. I thought I'd do a video because I haven't done one for a while. I hope everybody's well. Don't forget to subscribe. I know I should done more videos, but just life get away from things. You just don't know what things change all the time. But I'm gonna try to make as much videos as I can for you guys and make some more recipes. So today I'm doing some lamb with some mixed veggie and some rice. So I'm gonna do rice, fried rice with the veggie and lamb. So just something very quick. No, it won't take me that long because I have to go pick up these girls and go do some shopping. So yeah, I hope everybody's well. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. So this is lamb, a small cut of lamb that I have. It's already clean and it's all ready. So I hope you guys are enjoying this summer. So what you guys are doing for the summer? We've been out doing things with the girls. And also, so this is, I'm just put half a spoon of this. And also basil. Just gonna season mixed herbs, just half of it, not a lot. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the veggie, just season my veggie. I like to season my veggie for some reason. And the thyme, just half a spoon of everything, and some garlic too. That's it. This is coriander. I'm gonna do a little bit of coriander too. So guys, the school is closed now. The girls are on holiday. They've been driving me crazy. Mommy, let's do this. Daddy, let's do this. They always want to go out. They got so much energy. I don't know how those kids, they never get tired for some reason. So they went to their cousin for a sleepover. I'll pick them up after I've done everything I'm supposed to do. And I got some lemon. These are 2 lemon that I squeeze. I'm just gonna add a little bit. You know, I love lemon. I put lemon on everything and garlic. So I got some shallot. I'm just gonna put it there. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna use the leftover onion for the lamb. These are cubes, Maggi. My mama sometimes bring me some. Or when I go to Africa. What do you think of my dress? I got it from my mom. It came from Guinea. Bonjour la Guinée. Vous allez bien, bonne fête, hein? Vous avez passé la fête? Merci, maman. She brought me this dress. She knows I like wearing African dresses at home. It's so comfortable. So there's 1 cube there. I'm gonna use the same type of cube for my veggie. So what you guys been doing now? The restrictions are eased up a bit, and you guys are out doing some holiday stuff because nobody's going on holiday a lot lately. You're all doing things around the house. So these are the little tiny cube, and that's it. I'm gonna use some mustard. So I'm just gonna wash my hands, guys. Rhodesian mustard, which I really like to use. And I'm gonna add it So what else? I feel like I'm missing something. I guess not. If I remember, I'm just gonna add it to it. And this is a quick seasoning, guys. I'm not like my fridge is completely empty. I have nothing in there, only yogurt for the girls and some milk. So I like mixed veggie. It goes with everything. Good. I just turned the heat. I got a little bit of oil. That's where I'm gonna cook the lamb, and that's where I'm gonna cook the veggie. When the veggie is cooked, I will add the rice on top of the veggie with a little bit of soy sauce. I already made the rice in the rice cooker here, guys. You see? So I'm gonna mix the rice with the mixed veggie and with the lamb. So you see? I was thinking making my mother-in-law purchase chicken. I don't know how they call it in Polish. Every time she comes to visit us, she always make it, and then I really likes it. It's like chicken nugget. It's crispy with some breadcrumbs and eggs. So it's really nice. So I always make it. Now I know how to do it. So that's what I was thinking of making, but I realized I don't have chicken breast. Just like that. Don't waste this season here in the pan. It's really nice. There you go. Can I have it cooked? The same thing with the mixed veggies. It usually doesn't take that long to make. So I just want them to be a little bit soft and crunchy, and then I'll add the rice. Over the weekend, I don't have to make anything. I could just do stuff with the girls again. Pour this rice in here. Let me do that. This is the rice I'm going to use when the veggies are been cooked. There you go. I'm going to leave lamb is simmering, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water because the lamb has to cook. I like my meat well done, so I'm just going to add a bit of water there. Alright, and now I'm going to close it, and I'm going to check on my veggie. Look at the veggie. Smells gorgeous. Don't forget, guys, subscribe. Just a little bit of water. It. I'm going to close it and let it cook for another 10 minutes, and then I'll add the rice and the soy sauce. If you like soy sauce, I'm going to add the dark soy sauce. I'm going to add to the rice just to give it a little bit of zing, and the leftover lemon goes into there, and a bit here with the onion. So I'm just going to add this onion on with the lamb just to give it a bit of sauce. So yeah. Guys, you see how the vegetables are nice? I'm just going to add the rice to it. And it's done. Very simple. I'm going to mix all this together. It's healthy. Look at all this. How beautiful it is. You know, guys, you know that my daughter Camilla, she used to eat loads of veggies, but now I have to hide them for her to have them. If she see this, she say, "Mommy, it's yucky." Oh, I literally have to tell her off. I say, "Come on, try it first before you say it's yucky." Yeah, look at this. Really nice. I'm just gonna turn the heat down a bit, all the way down, and just leave it there for a couple of seconds. Now, look at this lamb. I'm just gonna add the leftover garlic and the I'm just gonna add a little bit of dark soy sauce into it like this. There we go. And a little onions, the lemon, sorry. I'm gonna leave it in heat to make sure that the dark soy sauce and the lemon go into the rice and the veggies, and then it's done. How easy is that? So whenever you don't have anything in the fridge, you can always try to mix stuff up and just make things up. And that's what I did today. It's a holiday. The kids eat everything in the house. You always have to buy stuff. So yeah. I'm going to turn the heat down on the lamb because I don't want it to burn. And I'm just going to leave it there for another 5 minutes, and then it's all done. And then you just see it. Rice is done, as you can see. Look, it tastes really nice. Beautiful people, it tastes really nice. And look at this lamb, how nice it is with the onions on top. Look, it's all done. I'm just going to turn this off now. Look, very simple. Just some garlic and some dried herbs, mixed herb, parsley, coriander, basil, lemon, fresh garlic, shallot. Look how nice it is. Can't wait to eat that later. So I'm just gonna plate it, and then I'll show you how it. So guys, I finished cooking. As you can see, I was waiting to eat later, but it tastes so nice. I thought I'm gonna eat it now before I go pick up the girls. So I hope you like my simple, quick and easy lamb with the rice and veggie. And this is how I make mine. And it's just something I found in the fridge. I thought I'll make that because I have to go shopping. I have nothing in my fridge. So I hope you guys like it. I'm just gonna eat that. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and make your comment, and just send me some message on what you guys want me to make next time, because sometimes I want to make so much stuff that I just don't know what to do, what to make first. But if you guys give me an idea of what you want me to make, I could just prepare it and show you how easy it's done. So this is my lamb with some mixed veggie and rice, and I'm just gonna dig into that. Let's see. Oh, it's so nice. I think I'm gonna eat all this. Oh no, bye bye to my diet. Well, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. At home with Binta. Thank you.